Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. We're at Amelia Concord and I can't wait to describe this 1970 Bronco. It's headed to Los Angeles and it's got everything needed for that perfect Southern California vibe. It's got a Brittany Blue paint, push button start, and a bimini top. It's got it all. Let's go check it out inside. Before we talk about this wonderful interior, I want to describe this as a California emissions compliant vehicle. That's right, it's built on an original 1970 chassis and it comes with an original 1970 title. It says 1970 Ford Bronco. Well, check out this interior. Distressed leather, wool carpet in the front, and barnwood in the back. We are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining and let's take a ride together.